All right, everybody, we're checking out Tommy's Express today. We did a video when they first opened, and we're doing a new one now that they've been open for quite a while. We're going to show you around and check it out. Again, Tommy's Express Car Wash. Washes are going to depend on the price depending on where you're at. $9 for a wash here, $22 a month. You can have unlimited washes. You can get your car washed every day if you want. And we're going to check out Tommy's Express Car Wash. So come along, come on in. And let's cook up something amazing and have some fun at Tommy's. Now that we just came out of the car wash, I just wanted to show you that the conveyor belt in the car wash isn't like your regular old conveyor belt. Here, this is a rubber conveyor belt system, and then it's got little rubber pieces that come up that hold your tire in place while it's in neutral. Also, another awesome feature of Tommy's Express Car Wash, we're so much easier on the tires, so much nicer. It's not rusting, it's a rubber belt. All right, we have made it to the vacuum section here at Tommy's Express, and you can see they've got all these vacuums set up here. This is pretty nice. We got this entire lane here dedicated to vacuums. I mean, the space is so wide that this is pretty darn cool. They got the vacuums set up here, and the vacuums just go right into the tub. They got a little garbage can set up here, and they have this little detail kit thing here. The vacuums are completely free to use. Push to start. Please hang your hoses here when you're finished. And look at this. They got detail stuff. You can buy all this stuff. So this whole thing is set up here right by the vacuums, right? Reusable microfiber towels, dust cloths, air fresheners, glass wipes, and all-purpose wipes. Grab a spare for unexpected cleanups. Everything is through the app. And you can download the app at the App Store. And you just pay $3, and the entire kit will come out right here of this machine for $3. So all you do is push the button, the vacuum kicks in, and off you go. Look at this. There's even music, there's lights, and there's a ton of bays here And they also have a mat washing station. All right, so this is pretty cool. Here's the tube right here we were going in. Free vacuums for our customers. Look at this, you can see the tube in there and everything. Love your ride, fam, gift cards, all this stuff. Yeah. All right, this is pretty cool here. They have this free mat washing station. It's winter time here, so I don't have my regular mats in. I have like the WeatherTech ones in, but we've used this before, and it's really awesome, and it works great. All right, free, completely free. You bring your mats here, free mat washing, and these are the kind of mats it'll take. All right, you see the car wash is literally right here. I mean, we're in the car wash. It will not do the WeatherTech type floor mats, but it'll do these types, right? You literally just stick it right in here. You push the start button, it'll tell you how long it's gonna take. It goes through and then it just comes right in down there. Completely clean, completely free. You don't even have to come get your car washed here to use the free mat washers or to use the vacuums, okay? So car wash, vacuums, and mat washers. All right, let's just show you some of the prices for the wash, at least in our area in Wisconsin. $9 for one wash. You're saying that's a lot, but it's $21 for an entire month, completely unlimited. Second tier is $12 per wash, $26 per month. Additional basic wheel cleaning, Tommy guard, and the other stuff included. The third tier is $15 per wash or $31 per month, which look at the deal difference here. 15 to 12, and you're only paying $31 for the entire month. It's basically 2 washes, and the rest is completely free. The last one is the top tier, $18 per month, $36 for the whole month, $18 per wash, $36 for the month. You buy 2, you're getting the rest for free after the second one. So you're getting all that other stuff with it. Tire gloss, red hot cleaner, body wax, wheel cleaner, underbody flush, and the Tommy guard that comes with it. All right, and that's gonna do it for today's video. Thanks so much for watching. We appreciate the support. Hopefully this video helped you see what all the types of Tommy's Express Car Wash has to offer, the prices and everything, and a little bit about the actual car wash itself. Free vacuums, free mat washing, and pretty awesome monthly subscriptions. Thanks so much for watching. Do us a favor, hit that like button, smash that thumbs up. It helps the video out so much. And subscribe to the Adventure channel if you're new. More fun videos to come. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.